Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the score variable and assigning it to all sprites so every object can read and change it. Next, choose the trigger: when green flag clicked, a reset button pressed, or a broadcast message received. Once decided, add a reset sprite or use the stage to centralize the logic. This avoids duplicating scripts. Make sure score is visible for debugging. Now, connect the first event block to the set score to 0 block, so the game actually begins cleared. You implement the core reset logic by wiring events to actions. For the green flag, directly set score to 0. For a button, have it broadcast reset. Once done, every sprite listens for that reset broadcast and sets score to 0 in its own script to ensure consistency. Also reset timers, positions, lives, and costumes as needed so state is clean. Make sure scripts run in a predictable order by adding short waits only when necessary to avoid race conditions. You finish by testing every reset path: green flag, reset button, and any broadcasts. Play through the game and confirm score returns to 0, and all related elements, clones, timers, lists, positions, also revert. If something persists, trace which sprite changed score after reset. You can use visible variables or temporary show messages to find the offender. One troubleshooting tip: if score jumps back, search for scripts that change score on clone creation or start. Disable them temporarily to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.